Wow, what is this amazing looking plant? What a leaf. And there's some flower petals scattered on the ground. And there's a flower. Bloodroot, Sanguinaria canadensis in bloom. Such a beautiful, beautiful plant. Yes. You can even see the pollen scattered on the petals there. And see the leaf clasp around that flower. In fact, the flowers come up before the leaves. This started flowering a few days ago. Each individual flower is usually only in bloom for about 24 to 36 hours. There is, of course, a very good reason why it's called bloodroot. Let's see if we can get ourselves into the ground a little bit here and take a look at the root of this plant. Actually, it's a rhizome, not a root. A lot of other things growing in here too. So not totally easy to find it. Maybe this will yield a little easier to us. There we go. Oh, yeah. Going down there. And we can see how the plant keeps coming up from this same rhizome. And when we get down past the dirt and down to where the rhizome is, let's see, we should be able to see why it's called bloodroot. Oh, there we go. All right, did you see that little bit of red there? I uncovered a little bit of it. Let's see if we can get some more. So you can get a nice, good view of the red root of bloodroot, which used to be used medicinally. There we go. Now you can see it. And I'm just going to scratch it a little bit. And you'll see where I scratch it, it actually looks like it bleeds. Wow.